Good morning, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. I welcome you to multiplication trick, and this time around we are going to look at multiplying 2 by 2 digits. Solution: multiply 41 by 24. We have 4124. 4 times 1 is still 4. And 4 times 4 is 16, 6. Then here we're going to say 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. The next one is for us to plus them. We drop our 4. Here we are going to have what? 6 plus 2 give us 8, and 1 plus 8 is 9, making it 984. Let's look at the trick part. The first one, we have 4 digits. We are going to have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number that follows is 1, so we have just 1 line below. Then the next number is 2, right? We are going to have 2 lines. 1, 2. The number that follows is 4. Here we go to the right hand side. We have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we start our counting from this side. How many meeting points? 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. We write our 4. Here now we are going to count these 2 and add it to this side. Let's start. 1, 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We are going to write down 8, carry 1. That's why we have plus 1 here. Then the next one, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus that one, 9. It's still what? 984. 984. Number 2. We are going to multiply 20 times 23. Solution: 20 times 23. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. We move to this side. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. Here we have 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Then here we drop our 4. The trick. The number here is 2. So we are going to have 2 lines. 1, 2. The number here is 0. So we are going to have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Cross it. Here the number here is 2. We are going to have what? 1, 2. Here the number here is 3. We are going to write 3 at the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. Since the downside is 0, we are going to write 0 first. Then we'll count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 meeting points. That is 6. Then we went and count this meeting point to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we now have what? 460. 460.